You go to class notebook and you should have your own name under class notebook, and if you do, go to homework and the Reggae unit should appear on screen. You don't really need to put your name in here because we know who you are. You can double click and write your name and drag it across there if you want, but you don't have to do that because we know who you are on class notebook. That sometimes happens when I press delete. Okay, so here's how it works, 4th year. For the first task, these are all the words that you've learned during the course of 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th year. And the idea is to show some sort of task where you recognise these words in music, and we have chosen reggae music for that to happen. So the first thing you're going to do is listen to a song by a very famous reggae artist that you've probably heard of, Bob Marley, and one of his most famous songs was Three Little Birds. Now, I've kept a YouTube link here for you, I've put a YouTube link here for you, so all you have to do is copy that, okay, Control C. I've chosen one where the lyrics appear on the screen. That's obviously an advert for looks like a minute capture. Very nice cars there, Mrs. Henderson, minute captures. Very nice cars. That's quite a nice new model, I like the minute capture. And as you can see, there's the song. Okay. Okay, so the idea is that you work between this window of YouTube, yeah, and the task on Teams. So the idea is I played the introduction of the song there just now. So the idea is that you listen to the introduction, like I just did, and obviously maybe listen to the whole song first. Maybe listen to the whole song first, then go back and just listen to the introduction of the song. And under melody harmony, is there anything under melody harmony that you hear in the music? Right? So for example, I heard the tune being played twice. Yeah, so that sounds like repetition to me. So if I look under melody harmony concepts, national 3, ascending, descending, there it's there, repetition. Yeah, so that's a concept. Now, even though it says national 3, remember you include them, you include all concepts on this page. So there you go, I heard repetition. So what I do is I scroll down and I double click here and I write in repetition. Like that. Okay, and that's one answer for that one. Okay, right, well let's try and find our rhythm tempo concept. So again, I scroll back up again. Right, maybe I listen to the tune again, maybe I listen to it again. As I say, it takes time, rewind it, let's listen to the introduction again. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's the introduction over. So I'll go back to my Teams page. And is there anything there that I heard for rhythm tempo? Okay, so let's have a look at rhythm tempo concepts. Okay, well, I don't know if you noticed that I was clicking. Yeah. Well, that was 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now I also actually heard a drum fill at the very start. Drum fill, so therefore I can include 2 concepts on my Teams page. Oh, I'm already on my Teams page. So I go down here, yeah, and I double click here, and I type in 4 beats in the bar, and that's 1. Drag it along a little bit just so it fits in rhythm tempo, yeah. Do another one, and it was a drum fill. At the very start, I heard a drum kit playing a drum fill at the very start, and I've now got 2 concepts in that box, yeah. And that's just me covered. I mean, how long did that last for? And you can see the amount of time that I took over it, right? That lasted for 15 seconds. So you can see here how that is a whole week's work could be spent just on that particular question. This one here. Just take your time, right? The worst thing we find people that have done this task over the years, they only write in a few words, and the reason for that is they only spend 10 minutes on it. This actually, as I say, this could take you the whole week to do, just this one particular task. Okay,